Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Overnight, the Australian dollar took the challenge to the top side and eventually cleared that level of 68.45, but didn't quite get the momentum to continue on to 68.90. Nevertheless, the technical still remains somewhat into a bullish or positive pattern, and therefore I do anticipate further upside attempts since clearing 68.45, now views 68.90 and reassess from there. Looking at the euro, the market took the challenge to the upside. As we can see, that the price action eventually reached a high in New York around 102, just underneath that objective of 102.20. I feel the market's still destined to test further due to the MACD being positive. So let's see if we can reach that level of 102.20, and if cleared, should open the pathway up towards the downtrend, which is seen around 104. We just broaden this out a little bit, and you can see here that we could just bring that up there and bring that out a little bit. In light of the pattern, I do feel that the bulls are coming back in greater numbers. So let's see if we can rise to the occasion and take that challenge to that top side, as I mentioned, at 102.20. The dollar yen outlook, well, the market's dropped away from those highs seen back in 1998, and from the challenge to that top side around 139, 15.35, the market has held a negative pattern for 2 days. Still not quite confirming the bearish potential, that is, towards this trend line that comes in around 134.60 to 90. We would need to see a break of 137.30 to ignite the move to the downside. Sterling, well, the market for myself was looking up towards 119.65, and overnight we can see that we clearly got to that level after breaking above 120. Still hovering around that 119.50-60 area. I feel the market's still destined to test higher, and clearing this line here, I feel that we are looking more to the fact that to this downtrend. So the immediate target is around 120 to 120.65, and then up towards this downtrend around 121.80-90. With slightly firmer sterling for CAD, sterling CAD, the market is actually respecting this level around 154, and I'm still looking towards that top side around 155. 15 to 50. As we can see, we're just at that level at 15, so there's still a little bit more room to the upside. It would need to clear 155.5 to get to that next target of 156.35.55. Gold still remains weak, with the inverted hammer coming through now. Does give some hope that the market might be finding this base as a little bit too firm in terms of taking the challenge there, and may struggle or even get a rejection again. That is from 1,686 to 91. We're still a little bit to the vulnerable side due to the fact that the technicals are a bit weak, but I do like the way the divergence is coming in here, and therefore should see a kick up towards that top side, anywhere from 18 to 28, and where I've outlined here at 1,738 to 46 to the objective. And finishing up with oil, where you can see here the market took the challenge further. I was looking for a break of around 96.45.65, and you can see from overnight that from the break in our daytime we're headed on and look towards that 99.60.80 objective, which was reached and respected. We didn't get a break there, but before even going further than that, do be careful that the MACD is shaping up to a potential bull case, and if we do get a clearance around 99.60.80, that would give further guidance up towards 106 potentially as a target. Well, that wraps it for the morning. Thank you very much for joining me. As always, look out for the intraday report. I hope you enjoy the great start to the day.